Okay, November 22nd, and it is 9:13 a.m. my time. Let's take a look at some levels for the day, some potential spots, whether you're wanting to play the long side or the short side. Currently have Bitcoin BSV up to start with, and for me, I think this is a level that I've talked about before, a place that needs to be visited. I do think, I still think this a revisit to 150 to 148 area might be worth a risk for a bounce down in there. Okay, so that's 148 to 150 in that spot down in there. We'll see kind of how that lines up with BTC. Yeah, it would be, BTC would be taking out this low right here if BSV was going to be doing that. So kind of the same thing with BTC. So I mean, if you were looking to go long today, at some point you wanted to be long today, I wouldn't even consider it unless you're buying the very lows. Right? We're trying to buy bottom. We're not going to buy up in here. So if you want to be long today, I'm probably looking. Well, we know for sure there's stops here, right? And probably quite a bit of stops underneath here, which could accelerate the move down. I mean, honestly, if this area is going to hold, we're either going to be buying the very tip of the bottom. We're going to be buying in the 55,000s. It's probably the safest if you want to be long, because you want to be buying in the 55,000s and have your stop, because it could easily go quite a bit lower than that. So that's if you want to be long. I probably wouldn't be a buyer until we start pushing into the 55s. So on the short side, I do like, if we want to push higher, I'm probably thinking, anywhere. I mean, let's take out this high first. So let's be sellers around 60,500. Let's be sellers. So short side around 60,500. If you want to be long, let's wait until at least a revisit to 56,000 and see if it can battle to hold those lows. But I think I would like to see more. Let's go up and visit 60,500 and then bleed back down and then go test those lows. That would be a nice scenario to see. But to me, those may be the extreme points for the day. Obviously, if we take out the lows, we'll hit some stops and it could go down further. But if you wanted to be long and you wanted to bet on the fact that, if you wanted to bet that we're going higher from here, even still, I'd try to wait for a revisit. A quick revisit gets most people out, probably because they've dragged their stops up. Anyone that bought into here, their stops are probably here now. So those stops go get taken out. Everyone's panicking. Maybe it does take it out by a little bit, and then it bounces. I mean, that's a scenario too. So again, if we're trying to be long, let's buy the bottom. If we're trying to short, we're going to sell the top here with a predetermined stop in there. So, but anywhere in between, I'm not really interested at this time. It's kind of just chop. So that's BTC, and this chart is BTC FTX, BSV, again 148 to 150, and this is Hubai. Yeah, 55,000. Yeah, it's a gamble to see if 55,000 holds, but again, if you want to be long, might as well wait and see, and we'll get a better price down there, because we want to buy low and sell high. We don't want to buy it right in the middle. So that's it. End of the video.